In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, organized page and make it visible to your team. First, navigate to the space where you want your page to live. Spaces are like folders for teams, projects, or topics, so it's important to pick the right one to keep your content organized and easy to find. If you are unsure, check the space sidebar or ask your workspace admin which space is appropriate. Next, click Create. You'll typically see a Create button in the top navigation bar. Depending on your layout, you may also see a plus Create icon in the sidebar. Both options open the same editor, so use whichever is easiest for you. If you don't see these options, you may need permission to create content in that space. When the Create menu opens, choose Page from the drop-down. This ensures you are starting a standard Confluence page, perfect for documentation, notes, or project updates. You may see other options in the menu, but for a basic page, Page is the one you want. Now add a page name. This is the title that appears at the top and in the Spaces page tree. Make it clear and specific, so others can find it later, something like Q3 Project. Overview or Team Onboarding Guide. Descriptive titles save everyone time and help with search. With your title in place, build the body content. Use the editor to add text, images, macros, and tables. You can format text with headings to create a clear structure. Use bold or italics for emphasis and add bullet or numbered lists for readability. Drag and drop images or paste screenshots directly into the page. Tables are great for organizing comparisons, timelines, or responsibilities. Macros let you add dynamic elements like panels, status, lozenges, table of contents, or integrations that bring in data. If you prefer shortcuts, try the / command to quickly insert content blocks. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and consider adding links to related pages, so readers can explore more detail if they need it. Confluence automatically saves drafts, so you won't lose your work as you go when you are ready to share. Click Publish. You'll find the Publish button in the top right corner. Once you publish, your page goes live in the selected space and becomes discoverable to teammates who have access. Remember, you can always return to the page, make edits, and republish as your content evolves. That's it. Thanks for watching.